the best airport lounges and amenities in the South. Whether you're committed to racking up airline perks or just love treating yourself as you await your flight, finding ways to make the most of your downtime at the airport is a must. From art installations and swanky restaurants to the best airport lounges in the South, these are some of the region's coolest airport amenities. Inter-imaginary departures at Austin International Airport. Austin Bergstrom International Airport is filled with music and art, but the lack of Gate 13 is where magic truly comes to life. In between gates 12 and 14, there is an infinity gate. It's not technically a functional gate, but it is home to 120 fictional characters from literature, movies, and games. The installation is the dream of Janet Zweig, a Brooklyn artist with a focus on public art. Narnia is just one of the imagined destinations at Inter-Imaginary Departures, and travelers can even print out tickets for their pretend journeys. One flew south at Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport. Since 2009, travelers have experienced fine dining while waiting at the world's busiest airport. One flew south, located in the Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport, is twice nominated for the James Beard Foundation Award for Outstanding Service, and its upscale approach is one of a kind in the airport world. With Southern-inspired cuisine and lush decor, this is the type of place that can almost make you forget about a flight delay. Delta Sky Club at Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport. The first reason to stop by the Delta Sky Club at Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport is the fresh air and sunlight. Soaring windows and a sun deck are indulgent treats you don't often get to experience while waiting among the hordes of travelers. But most people flock to this lounge because of the wine program. There's an entire wall featuring both an incredible selection and design. Each bottle was also hand-selected by the Delta Airlines sommelier. If you ever get stuck with a delay, trust us. This is where you want to pass the time. American Airlines flagship, first dining lounges in Dallas and Miami. The food on the plane might not be much to write home about, so stop by the American Airlines flagship first dining lounge if you're in Dallas or Miami. You'll dine on seasonal menus from James Beard award-winning chefs, and it's not unusual to find scallops, oysters, or beef tenderloin being plated as you wait for your connection. It sure beats a pack of pretzels. Books with Altitude Library at Miami International Airport. Do you want to crack open a new title during your beach vacation? Did you finish a fascinating thriller on your last flight? The Books with an Altitude Library is a book exchange program at Miami International Airport that lets travelers take and leave books. The library was initially stocked thanks to a donation from the Miami-Dade Public Library System, and now travelers keep it full with a rotating cast of characters. You can find the Books with an Altitude Library between gates H5 and H7. Hemisphere Restaurant at Hyatt Regency, Orlando International Airport. Want to take in an incredible view while dining on food that puts regular airport cuisine to shame? Hemisphere Restaurant is located high above the fray, on the 9th floor of the Hyatt Regency Orlando International Airport, and it combines quick access to the airport and downtown Orlando with seasonal menus that blend the best in local flavors with dishes you'd find worldwide. Bistro Le Relais at Bowman Field in Louisville, Kentucky. Some people reminisce about the golden age of travel, when people used to dress up to fly the friendly skies. Bistro Le Relais at Bowman Field in Louisville takes you back to that time with 1940s Art Deco decor, inspired by Casablanca and French cuisine. Located in the historic terminal, this is one of the most unique places to grab a bite at the airport. Turkish Airlines Lounge at Washington Dulles International Airport. If you are waiting for a flight at Dulles, get a jumpstart on transporting yourself to an international destination by stopping by the Turkish Airlines Lounge. Turkish Airlines is best known for its lounge in Istanbul, but Dulles is a must-see outpost. You'll find incredible food and Turkish specialties, including baklava, Turkish delight candies, and other traditional cuisine. The American Express Centurion Lounge at Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport stressed at DFW. The American Express Centurion Lounge, which debuted at Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport back in 2018, is there to anticipate your needs. This airport lounge has a mini spa where you can get a quick massage or a manicure, the perfect way to ease some of your travel anxiety or get you glammed up and ready for your next destination. Happy travels. About the author. Heather Bien is a Southern writer, Richmond native, and aspiring gardener. She loves small-town travel and homemade lattes.